of Erasmus Mundus students and alumni. Wow, what a year it has been. Amid the number of challenges what we have been faced with, it just amazes me how much of positive changes we have managed to bring about, how many projects we have managed to accomplish, how many events throughout the globe we have managed to carry out. All this wouldn't have happened throughout the sheer dedication and hard work of the steering committee and all the active members spread across the 194 plus countries across the globe. Your work, your dedication, your love and passion, and most importantly, commitment towards EMA is what which drives us moving forward. With this, I would like to invite you all to the 12th General Assembly between 23rd and 25th of February 2019 at University of Vienna, where you'll also have the opportunity to attend some of the sessions organized by Marie Curie Alumni Association. So why wait? Check out the General Assembly 2019 website for more information, where you will have the opportunity to know how to sign up and be the active part of this change maker community.